Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making Tater Tot Casserole. I hope you'll join us for today's video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get started on today's video. Okay, so what you want to do is get a little bit of heat on your pan. And we are going to start out, I've put about a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan. Got some white onion. Salt. Pepper. And I've got about 1.5 pounds of some 80-20 hamburger meat. Tater Tot Casserole is just one of those hearty, easy to do family favorites that everybody probably has their go-to recipe. If you don't, you should. So I hope you will give this recipe a try. This recipe also freezes very well. You can make this up, put it in your freezer, and then it'll be ready to go. You just pop it in the oven. It's also a great recipe to take to potlucks. I know I've made it up to take to get-togethers. It's and everybody loves it. Okay, at this point, I'm going to drain my meat, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you've got your meat drained off, I'm going to add some garlic. If you haven't guessed yet, or you're new to my channel, my family likes garlic. Ain't no vampires around here. We're going to add some Worcester sauce. Let that cook up just a little bit. Just for a second or two. And I'm going to add 1 can of cream and mushroom soup. And then I'm going to bring you back over to my cabinet, and we're going to put all this together, and I'll show you everything that you need. Okay, so this is what you're going to want to do. You want to take your meat. I have sprayed my baking dish with some cooking spray. Cover the bottom of your pan. I have put my meat and mushroom soup mixture in my 9x13 pan, and you just want to make sure it's flat. And I've got some of my corn that I've canned myself. I will link that video in the card right here. Now, I've seen recipes that you can put green beans on this too. I've never ate it with green beans. I'm sure it'd be good, but I like just the canned corn. It would be a great way. I'm sure you could put whatever you wanted to on here. You wanted to put broccoli, you know, great way to get your vegetables in. Now, here's where my recipe differs from a lot of people's recipes. I put my cheese under the tater tots, at least initially, because if you put your cheese on top of the tater tots when you're baking it, to me, it makes it harder for your tater tots to crisp up. So I will put a layer of cheddar cheese, I'm using cheddar, underneath the tater tots. Then in the last 10 minutes or so, you can go back and add a little bit more cheese on top. So, I didn't see that. You want to put your tater tots in a single layer. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes. And in the last 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna pull it out, put some more cheese on top of it, and melt some cheese on top. But one last little tip to get your tater tots nice and crispy, I like to spray it with just a little bit of cooking spray, and it helps crisp your tater tots up. So we're gonna do that real quick. Now, I am using organic olive oil spray. If you're gonna use cooking spray, at least get a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. And we're gonna top with the rest of this cheese. And I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for just a couple of minutes to just melt the rest of this cheese on top. Okay, my friends, here you go. Tater Tot Casserole. We are gonna dip some of this up. is just perfection in a meal. And as always, I will bring it closer to you so you can see it. Okay, my friends, tater tot casserole. I hope you will give this recipe a try. It is amazing, and it's such an easy family meal, and I think you're really gonna like this one. Thank you for joining me today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We'll see you on the next video.